Africa here, guys. As always, guys, subscribe, like the video. Let's just do the right thing. Let's go this way. Let's just go slowly, guys, so we can capture everything in this little tiny camera. Guys, do you know Joburg Mall? Do you know Joburg Mall? It's over there. I think we should just go and give it a navigation. I don't know if they will allow me to get in there, but my heart says let's just go and navigate in there. This is not the only part of Johannesburg that I don't actually. I'm not a fan here because these people at this side, they are really dirty. I don't know lie to you. The way is actually very narrow. There is a place here they call Joburg Mall. This mall is something else. Let's just go check if they will allow me to get in there. This place you can go upstairs, go downwards. Let's see what's like in there. Mostly it's the people here, they are the Somalians. And yes. Small street. Yeah? Are you good? What is that? What do they mean when they say Tombo Park? I've just heard someone say Tombo Park. They look like it's an look at that. Okay. It's another kind of a mall. Let's actually go to the second floor. This is another kind of a mall. So squeezed. Hola, Matot. How's it? Is this stairs still going up? This is the last stairs, no? Okay, thanks, sir. What's your name? What's your name? I'm Walk Africa. You are? Mahamur. And you? Visa. And you? I'm Walk Africa, ne? I do YouTube videos. You know YouTube? I can see you've got the phone already there. You watch YouTube, you guys? Oh, yeah. Serious? Yeah. You watch YouTube, so you search for Walk Africa. Ne? You will find me, and you'll find this video talking to each other. Walk Africa. Walk Africa. Do you have data in your phone? Right? I can search for you. You have the data. Let me search for you. Okay, guys. Let me just. Let me help these guys to find my channel, and then we'll be going with our way. And this is, what is your YouTube? What's your YouTube? Where's your YouTube? You don't have YouTube, right? Yeah. The thing is, you must download it first, ne? After downloading it, then you find what. I'll be seeing you. Nice. Hey, come here. Speak up. Is everything okay?
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's my homeboy.
It's a homeboy, ne?
Yeah.
It's good. What's your name?
Yeah?
What's your name?
James.
James. I'm Walk Africa.
Okay, sure.
It's nice meeting you, man.
will.
Let's not fight.
Sure.
That's good. See you around. Right. This is nice having around a talk with these people. But what I've actually noticed is the guys that I've been talking to, they're actually from Malawi. They speak Malawian. Other brother from another mother. That's the nice thing and part of it. It's good. So we're gonna go down, guys. This floor ends here. Let's go down. I'm happy to have done this more. These amazing people. Look at this. It really is a busy area here. I'm telling you. Now I'm gonna have to go completely down.
Is it the other mama?
Maybe if we go down, you can see more. Let's see. Actually, here you'll be exiting. And I don't want to exit this place yet. I need to buy this wallet, so I need to find this. It's okay. I think I'm coming from these floors already, and it's coming out. We'll be exiting Joburg Mall. This is Joburg Mall for you. I hope you really have enjoyed whatever we have seen inside. What an amazing place this is. Right here in Johannesburg. And outside is this Johannesburg Mall for you. Hello,
Soccer. Yeah, it's playing soccer. Never come.
So, guys, now we are going to MTN Rank. And this is where we will finish our vlog, our walk tour. This area of Johannesburg doesn't look good at all. Sorry to say, but I say the truth every time. This is a place that I enjoy being, finding a lot of things around, but I'm not taking care of this place. Street is very narrow. Passing is a struggle. Alright, let's end here our vlog, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. I love you. Subscribe, like and share. As always, you're the best.